Hey human, I'm Braxton Evelyn, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel, a place where you find a lot of tips and tricks for food and beauty. Today, I will be making this Oreo Cream Latte. So you want to start by crushing your Oreo. To this, bring in your frothed milk. If you do not have a frother, please feel free to steam your milk. So you're basically heating it until it steams. Do not boil. If you boil, you won't get the frothed effect. So bring your eyes, add your milk, and let's make some espresso. Or just basically, if you do not have a coffee maker, just boil your coffee, guys. It will work. Alrighty. This is served chilled and oh my god. Basically what I am saying is indulge in this ultimate Oreo delight. It's a journey of pure deliciousness. Basically what I am saying, I am just repeating basically. Get ready to satisfy your cravings and experience the perfect blend of coffee and Oreo goodness. Have you been watching my vlogs? I started on the 1st of July and today is the 14th. I hope you've been enjoying these vlogs. Let me know in the comment section if you have been enjoying these vlogs. If there's anything you would like to see, please let me know. Like this video, leave me a comment, and consider subscribing if you haven't. God bless you. Now, our coffee is ready. We bring it to the mix, and oh my goodness. Do not forget your Oreo mix that you made. Bring that together and top it with a slice of Oreo. Oh my god. Decadent. Alrighty guys, I will see you in my next video.